Hello friends, today show you how to edit your videos in Mobile editor. And guys, most of them are know how to edit, and somebody don't know how to edit videos. And in guys, my last video is how to download your Mobile editor for free without any virus or without any issue. And that video is in icon, you can see it. Just click on that white button, you can watch from there, or in description, you can watch it from your description. And after downloading your editor, you just record your screen. To record your screen, I also made a video how to record your screen, but that video is in description or in icon, you can see. And guys, and I'm using with a extension recorder of Google Chrome. And guys, that video is coming soon. And now just add any file here. Just have to select here, just click on add file. Now you have to just go to your where you saved in your PC your video. Just record it with your screen, and just open where is saved in your PC your video. And guys, now just select your video, and just select your video. Now drag and drop here. To drag and drop, just select that video, and don't remove your finger on that video. Now remove your finger on your left button. Just click on your left button and hold that, and now just remove your hand, and that's it. That video is drag and drop here. Now if you want to delete this, and you can don't select these two. Now this two will be deleted, you can see. Just select a one. If it is selected these two, now just click on here at the free space, or here. Now select this, and you can delete from here. And guys, you can see, if I want to cut this video at this part, and I've tell the wrong thing here. If I want to cut here, just select that part, and just click on cut option here. You can see now these two are separated. You can see these two are separated now. Now if I want to detach audio here your video, just select audio. Just don't select this. If you select your video, your audio will be automatically selected. Just select here, and just right click on that, just click on detach audio. And guys, you can remove your audio you can keep your audio to somewhere you wish. You can do editing now. And guys, if you want to crop here, you can also crop your video or your images. Just select that, and you can also control from here up or down. But just go to down or up your volume. You can also do that like. And guys, you can also edit your audio. You can see, if you want to remove just audio, not video, you can also remove from here. If you want to delete here, you can delete here. And guys, if you want to add any element or text, you can also add here looping elements. There are so many elements. And you can also download from your Google, and you can do here. And guys, you can add here anything here, any file like this, and you can keep that video in the middle of your video. Guys, this video is so small. You can also delete here. And guys, now just go to text. You can add any text from here to give your where you have to give. If I want to give my text here, you can also give here. Just right click on that, just click on edit option. Now you can give your title the capitals, or you can also give, there's so many options here. Or you can also give any color, there are so many color. And there are type of another text here, you can also give from here. Or you can also decrease or increase size of your text. You can also increase from here also. After that, just click on apply. Your changes will be done now. You can also add elements. There are so many options here. You can see there are so many options: crop or rotate. You can animate scenes, detach. There are so many options: slow motion, logo. There are so many options here. And guys, if you want to add a audio or video at the middle of your video. Can add. I will show you how to that. Just right click here, just go to this tab, just right click on that, your black screen here, just click on add file. Now select here where any audio, any video here, click on open. And guys, I want to add here, you can also add from here, you can add from here. And guys, I want to add at the middle of this, you can also do that. You can delete from here, and if you want to add here, mean this video, if I want this video at the middle of this video, can do that. Just cut this video. Now just select this, you can give it this middle. Now this video is in the middle of your video. In this way you can edit your videos. And now just do anything like here, there are so many options. And you can detach your audio, you can detach your audio beats, you can add any volume points, there are so many options. You can also mute this clip, you can see now this muted. There are so many options you can edit in this way. After editing, I will show you what you have to do. Guys, now just after editing, just click on export. And now just give a title to your video. Just give a title here. Your audio will be nice to select your, if your audio, if you want to good audio quality, just go to mp4. If you want to good video quality, just go to mkv. You can choose this, or you can also choose webm format. And you can also, there are so many options here, you can check here, you can open anything here. Or if your internet connection is medium, or your pc is very low, means your pc is very low pc, just go to good. And after that just click on start button. And guys, it will just export your audio, not your video. Don't select this. And there are other options here, you can choose there. If you want to directly upload to youtube, and guys, it will take so much time. And just click on start button, and it will started. You can see there are advanced settings, you can also increase or decrease quality here. It's good. And I'm selecting good only, not higher, because my internet connection is some low and my PC is some low specs. That's why I'm selecting. You can change your pixels. I'm selecting 180p. Now, if you want to restore defaults, you can go from here. Now, guys, if you want to start, you have to export here. You can see it will save your here. You just wait from here. And guys, after saving, you can upload to your YouTube or your other platforms. Guys, that's it, guys. Guys, if you like this video, click on like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.